how to fix Instagram error problem. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem easily and fast. First thing, go into the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps, go to Instagram app right here, click on force stop and then go to the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data, click on delete, go back and click on this permissions option. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled and then go into the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Instagram and update it. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.